Hello, today I'm going to be going over OnDemand for CRC users. To access OnDemand, you must belong to an active project. OnDemand provides a web-based file explorer that can be used to upload, download, copy, delete, rename, or edit files. Basically, it allows you to access your project and other directories in a web-based GUI. To go to that, first go to crc-ondemand.usc.edu. Then go to Files, and select a directory. Let's choose our home directory. It'll take you to a link that allows you to access your home directory. Here, we can see the file tree on the left and your files right on the bottom. At the top, you'll notice your home directory. Here, you can press your directory in blue to go back to a certain directory, and you can double-click a folder in order to enter it. You'll also see certain buttons at the top and here on the bottom. If you want to download a file, you can just click on the file or select multiple and press download. You can also upload a file by going to upload and then choosing a file. Furthermore, you can create a new file directly in the Explorer or create a new directory, as well as open in Terminal. Each of the three different sections either have read, write, or execute permissions. The first section is the owner group. The owner is allowed to have read, write, or execute permissions depending on what is checked. The next section is the group permissions. Finally, the last section is all users. If you press the button that says Show Owner/Mode, you'll be able to read the group permissions on a file or directory. You can press Open in Terminal to access a file or a directory in the terminal. You can also press Go to go to a directory directly if you have the link. Next, let's go to the terminal. You can press Open in Terminal or go directly to the website. Press Clusters and then Discovery Cluster Shell Access, or if available, Endeavor Cluster Shell Access. Endeavor is only accessible if you belong to a project with access to Endeavor's Condo nodes. Let's click on Discovery, and here you can use Duo or a phone call to do your two-factor authentication. And when accessed, you have access to your local directory in Discovery. Next, we also have the Jobs section. Here we can see if we have any active jobs. I currently don't, but if you do, you'll be able to see information like your user, your account, time used, etc. You can sort your jobs, for example, your Endeavor jobs, Discovery jobs, and you can also apply the All Jobs filter to see all jobs currently running. And you can also see the Job Composer. The Job Composer allows you to create new jobs in an easy interactive GUI. Here, we can see that we can create a new job from a default template, or from a specified path, or select a job. Let's choose a template. Here we can see a variety of templates that we can use to create a job. We have GPU templates, Python R templates, as well as single-threaded MPI Python R templates. You can click one and then create a new job. Here we see the job script, which you can edit in the editor or opening it in the terminal. Furthermore, it'll create a folder where you can create certain files and access them if needed. And you can press submit by pressing the submit button and stop it as well. You can see a variety of job options as well here. You can see whether you want to use a specified account, which cluster you want to run it on, and you can choose a different job script if necessary. Going back to the main page, we can also see an interactive app section. While this is a work in progress, here you'll be able to access different interactive apps, such as Jupyter Notebook, once we implement it. Finally, your interactive sessions will show up here once you access an interactive app. For now, this is a test system, and interactive apps are not working. However, the files, jobs, and clusters will directly show up if you access them and interact with them on OnDemand. Please message or email crc-support@usc.edu if you have any problems or want some help. You can always find more documentation on the online user guide at crc.usc.edu. Thank you.